So Apple has released iOS 16, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you're going to be able to download the iOS 16 update with your mobile data. So sometimes when you go to your settings like this, in order to try download the update, you're going to see this side being grayed out, and in order to make this pop up or this show up, what you're going to do is you come to this section right here, you scroll down to, you see date and then time, and then you tap on this set automatically off, and then you tap on this side to set the date ahead of time. So you're going to change it to 2023 right here, and then what you're going to do next is you tap on the time to just set it anytime you feel like you want. And when you are done, you just tap on this section to just finish everything, and you go back, and then you come and then you check for your software update, and it's actually going to pop up with this one showing, and then you're going to be able to download with your mobile data. So if this was helpful, just give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks, and I'm going to catch you in the next video. Peace.